it might be one of the most frustrating things to deal with as we get older is our hair falling out. It happens when you have kids, but now it's happening just because we're getting older.
Yes, and I think a lot of people associate it with men, but listen, this is for women, this is for everybody, and I think one of the things that you have to kind of play into it is that it's really about your scalp, right? It's not just about your hair. So I love this brand. It's new to me. I love it. It's Kilgauer MD. This is basically this really incredible. It was developed by a Stanford dermatologist.
Okay.
And what's so cool about it is it's 2 steps, right? So it's clinically proven to prevent and treat the appearance of thinning hair. Clinically proven, ladies, okay? What's so cool about it is the first step is really cool. It's got this like preventive scalp serum, which is great. And what that works to do is it works kind of like a sunscreen. So think about all the environmental damage that can happen to you, right?
Yeah.
So that it works like really great with that, and they call that like the sunscreen because it helps to work against those environmental damages. But this one right here is the treatment serum, and this is just absolutely fabulous. I like it because it's elegant. Did you feel it? It's not
very
as sticky.
thin. Yes,
Doesn't
it's
have a
very
harsh
thin.
smell. We really love that, and it's great. They call this like the facelift for the scalp, which is really great because this really does help maximize the hair that you still have, but it also really does work again when those 2 steps are, you know, put together to really maintain the hair that you have, but also treat the scalp and create it and get into a healthy space. What I also love about it is that it is scientifically shown to basically, it was basically clinically proven to, in a peer-to-peer study, to be more effective than minoxidil, which was really,
Which is
really
been around a
rail,
long time.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, I like this one because it does 2 in 1.
Yeah.
Yes, it's actually a trifecta, my darling.
Oh, 3
Yes,
in 1.
first of all, I'm obsessed with Babe Originals. I just got to know them, and I'm just loving everything about it. But this right here is the Babe Originals. This is their Good Night Babe gummies, and I don't know about you, but I'm just like eating gummies at night for everything. And this is kind of like your one and done. It's great because what it does is it has this like hair health booster.
Okay.
It has those ingredients in that that are just really great, right? You know, you would think that that would come in a hair gummy, right?
Right.
But which really helps stimulate growth, right? But then you have this, it has this like promotion of relaxation, if you will, because it has melatonin in it. So you don't have to take your melatonin, and it also just really and truly has the L-theanine. How do you say that? I know you know how to say that.
Theanine. Yeah.
These are just great things because that just really is going to kind of promote, you know, relaxation with you. But then it also has this kind of stress relief element to it too. So all of these ingredients are in this one gummy, 28 bucks.
Ashwagandha.
It has the ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha.
She says it the best. And what I
Yes.
really love about that is it's, you know, stress plays a very big part in your hair.
Yes.
So
And hair
great.
loss,
You
yes,
got your
absolutely.
serums, you got your gummies.
You got you all there. Okay, and now you got stuff for your actual hair.
Yes, and this again, I was playing around with Babe Original and I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a great product. This is the Babe Original Glossy Rinse Hair Treatment. It's just unbelievable. It works in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, you can use this in place of your conditioner, or you can use it really after your conditioner. It's just what an incredible product, or before your conditioner, I think. What's great is instant gloss and softness. It only takes 5 seconds. It's weightless. I love it. It works with lamellar water. I hope I say that right. So many things I
Looks
can
like
never
a bottle
say.
of mustard.
That's what I said.
Lamellar water treatment, and it's infused with, I think it's hemisqualane and vegan keratin. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It works great on like damaged hair, but it really works great with frizz. It works great on split ends. I love it. It's 5 seconds. And let me tell you something. That's so easy. Even if you have no excuse. But the gloss that it imparts on your hair is like bam. It's like glass hair. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
I'm here. Okay. Garnier, they've been around for a while.
Yes, and I always come back to them for whatever eco products that we're talking about and how they've just made all these initiatives. This is Garnier Fructis, and this is their Strength Repair with vitamin C-G, okay? And yes, and this is like actually the full line, but I'm talking about the Strength Repair here. And what this does is it reverses damaged hair, and it fills in the follicle, you know, with all of these strengthening kind of things. It's a 4-step inner fiber kind of damage repair collection. That's the serum right there. But what's great about it, it's sulfate-free. It's got this vitamin C-G, which is kind of like well known for all of its antioxidant qualities, right? But all of those things are just going and really penetrating the hair and literally like filling in the hair follicle to create a stronger hair. It has citric acid in it. It smells great. Did you smell it?
No, I didn't.
I love the way that it smells.
Shampoo, conditioner, serum, everything.
It has their Repair Care Complex. Really and truly, it just works to repair the hair.
Ooh, it smells good.
I love this product because there's something for everyone. You know, they have a curl, they have like conditioning agents to it. But what I also love about it too is that it's affordable, it's easy to get, and it really does, like for the strength line, is the only one that we've tried out so far, but I can tell you right now, it really does, after bleaching out my hair, really does
Bringing
it
it
just
back.
You've been
feel
really
a
bad
difference
to
right
it.
away.
I think people forget sometimes your hair is not all that different than your skin. You still have to treat it in
Careful.
similar ways,
The more
right?
you do to it, the more
Yeah.
that you're going to need to
some
put back
nourishing.
into it.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on here. What is this? A mask? A hair mask?
Nature Lab. So we talked about Nature Lab
Yeah.
a while back, and this is a brand new launch, like pretty much like right now, okay? And this is their Tokyo Perfect Volume Mask. Now, a lot of people love volume, but they have fine hair, right? And it's very difficult to do any kind of mask on your hair because then it would just weigh it down. This is just genius, okay? It does not weigh your hair down. Can you smell it? I know I'm such a smell person.
I know,
It's
too.
volume, it's weightless, it's instant lift for fine
yeah, that smells
hair.
good. Yeah. Very light.
But it also improves scalp health. So you can kind of let it go there, the texture is really nice, which I find like sometimes these things are almost like a jelly.
Yeah.
This one isn't, it's great. It's formulated with this like really, it's like a I don't know, it's like a rice powder. Do you see what I'm talking about?
yeah,
Like they have
yeah.
these rice powder, it's a rice powder starch or something. And what it does is it just really and truly creates this volume mass onto the hair shaft. And it works, and it's great, and it also has the rosemary extract in it. Coming out brand new. Such
Love
a
it.
cool product.
Got to try that out.
Okay.
And finally,
Olaplex.
Olaplex. Now, when we were looking for color care shampoos, I told you about this earlier. There wasn't a lot out there, but there was a lot for blondes, okay? So we tested out a few of these, and this was really the most intense. I want to kind of show you real quickly the color that we're dealing with here. This color is no joke.
Is it purple?
It is
Oh, yeah.
dark, okay? So
Yeah.
you're thinking like intense color. But what's great about this product is it also is another product that really helps bond the hair back together. I'm going to tell you, you might want to wear gloves when you use it. And I'll also tell you that, you want to wipe up after yourself if you're in a nice tub.
Okay.
But this product really and truly does tone that hair, brighten the hair, and it really does create a beautiful blonde, but it repairs the hair at the same time.
but it's only for blondes, though.
Yeah, that one's
Only
for
for blondes.
right?
They have a line that's pretty much for everyone, but this was really our color care when we were looking for a color product. This was really our color product that I was like, you know what? I might as well test it for blondes, right? So I did, and I was very impressed. It totally took the brassy out.
Well, you look fabulous.
Yeah,
So it's got to
you
do
do.
something.
Thank you.
All right, something for everyone when it comes to our hair, whether we're balding, thinning, or just needs a little shine. We got you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mickey.